So it's been about a year since I installed this hanging flip out coat hanger. That's what I'm using it for. And it is still working perfectly. The hooks flip out and in. It's been through all the seasons of hanging purses and coats and bags, and there hasn't been any issues with the hooks not withholding their strength, and it's been working out great. And what I really love about this is that you can flip the hooks up and hide them, and everything looks nice and sleek when people walk in if there's nothing hanging on them.